Children, today we shall learn about Mysuru division. Mysuru is another administrative division of our state. Mysuru was the capital of Vodiyar kings. There are 8 districts: Mysuru, Mandya, Hasan, Chikmagalur, Udupi, Dakshina Kannada, Chamarajnagara, and Kodagu. The administrative center is Mysuru. This division is famous for rivers, mountain ranges, forests, wild animals, coffee plantations, coasts, and ports. The history of Mysuru begins with Ganga's rule. Talakadu was the capital of Gangas. Later, Mysore came under the rule of Cholas, Hoysalas, and Vijayanagar kings. Mysuru was under the rule of Vodeyars for many centuries. For some years, it was also under the rule of Hyder Ali and his son Tippu Sultan. Mysuru is called the Mahishanadu historically as well as mythologically. The districts of this division also have the history of being ruled by different dynasties. Kodagu was ruled by many dynasties. This division has extreme cold climate and moderate hot climate. Ragi, paddy, urd, green gram, horse gram, maize, arecanut, cardamom, orange, pineapple, cashew nuts, and others are the major commercial crops. The first coffee in India was cultivated by in Chikmagaluru district. Betel leaves are grown in many parts of this division. This division is rich with natural resources. There are many types of forests in Kodagu, Dakshina Kannada, Mysuru, and Chikmagaluru districts. Teak, sandalwood, honge, nandi, matti, and other trees are available here. These forests are known for wide varieties of products. Minor products like honey, beeswax, wild fruits, and others. This division has many small and big mountains: Subramanya Hill, Himawat, Gopal Swami Hill, Male Madheshwara Hill, Bidigiri Rangana Hill, Mullayanagiri, Kemmannagundi, Chamundi Hill, Chandragiri, and Indragiri of Shravanabadagala are famous hills. The Mysuru division is known for its dense forest and also famous for its vast biodiversity. Tiger, leopard, wild dogs, deer, fox, bison, different types of snakes and other wild animals are present to these forests. The Bannuru sheep of Mysore district is very famous. The following are the famous rivers of this division: Kaveri, Hemavati, Harangi, Netravati, Kumaradhara, Vedavati, Kapila, and Yagachi. There are many waterfalls too. They are Gaganachukki, Bharachukki, Abbe Falls, Iruppu Falls, Hebbe Falls, and others. Bauxites, feldsite, chromite, limestone, manganese, granite are the major minerals available in Mysuru division. Mysuru is a land of forest. Mysuru, Kodagu, Chikmagalur, and Hasan districts have dense forest. Bandipur, Nagahole, Male Mahadeshwara Betta, and Pushpagiri are famous forest areas. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger conservation project is in force in our state. 3 tiger conservation projects out of 5 projects of the state are in this division. Art and literature. The Mysuru division is rich in art, literature, theatre, and dance. Mysuru is called the land of art. The coastal districts also are known for their yakshaganas. It has achieved national and international recognition. Kamsale, Kunita, Chaudike art, Veeragase Kunita, Pata Kunita, and Nandikolu are the famous folk dances. There are unique rituals like Huttari Habba of Kodagu, Bhutaradhane, and Kambala of the coastal districts. Mysuru style of painting, dance, and music evolved Bharatanatyam, drama, and music encouraged by The Palace, a theatre repertory group, Rangayana is in Mysuru and is founded by the government. Mysuru is an education center. It is better literacy rate. Education sector received good encouragement from the rulers of Mysuru. The University of Mysuru was established in 1915 CE and now is century-old university. Many districts of this division have engineering and medical colleges. Mangalore University is in Dakshina Kannada district, and there are many private universities in this division. The Central Food Technology Research Institute is in Mysuru city. The Suttur Mutt has contributed a lot in the field of education. Dharmasthala and Manipal group of institutions have done yeoman service in the fields of education and medical services.